everyone, welcome to another episode of Devolutions HQ.
Hi everyone.
And we're on episode number 10 now.
I can't believe how fast this is going, seriously.
It's going fantastically fast. So it's great. Today we've got some updates for some of our products. So we're going to give you a sneak peek on some things behind the scenes. And we've got all sorts of news to help you guys control the IT chaos. So let's take a look into the trenches first and see what's going on in the blogs this past week and next week.
Okay. So last week, I wrote about RDM, how to manage role-based access control using your vault in RDM 2019.1.
Okay.
Now, maybe you're wondering why am I saying RDM 2019.1? Because it is the beta release right now.
Yep.
And the changes, one of the changes is that instead of repository, we're going to be using vaults.
Okay, so
simply because, well, I mean, it is a vault.
It makes sense,
where you keep everything. So we just changed the name repository to vault, so we don't want to confuse you. So in that blog, you'll be able to learn more about how to manage your permissions and set them directly on your vaults instead of having to manage them by user or by folder, which can get quite complicated.
Sure, micromanaging and having multiple vaults, even like a vault for each team. Like that's what we do here at Devolutions.
Exactly. We all have our own vault. Marketing has their vault, and you can manage permission way easier.
All right, what else?
Well, this week we're going to it's a big debate. I think everybody's been talking about it. Password versus passphrase.
Yeah.
What to use? What is the difference? What is really the guidelines for each of them? And also, what is the NIST guideline right now about password versus passphrase?
Yeah.
So good luck. Take a look at it. Have a good read.
In the news this week, we have a couple exciting things. Like Jenny mentioned, you probably saw on the blog, some of you have released. We have RDM, the 2019 version, the beta came out. Now, once again, let me just put a disclaimer out. It is a beta, okay? Now, some people have wondered, why do we release betas out? But I think one of the things we trust heavily in our community involvement, so you guys on the forum and the people have always give us great feedback. So we could have waited and polished everything up, but we wanted to release a beta to help you guys kind of, first of all, see in anticipation what's coming up, but also we get great feedback for some features that you have requested, and we put them in there. So try it and download it for yourself for free, and you can play around with it and see what features you like. There's some new looks, some cool things.
There are some really cool
I like the, we had a kind of dark mode, but now we have like a black mode.
And it is awesome. It looks really good. It's nice for the eyes. Like
absolutely,
kind of stuff.
It's very calming. But anyway, check it out and tell us what you think in the comments below. We want to know what you guys think about RDM, the beta for 2019. And it would give you a little taste for what's coming down in the next several weeks for you guys. Secondly, another thing is you may want to check out is our website. You may have noticed there's lots of changes going on. And they're updating a lot of the content, but some of the layout, we're trying to make things more mobile friendly. And we're in the process, so some things are not completely done yet, but check it out and see what you think.
It's kind of our beta release also.
Yeah, a beta release of the website, but it looks really good. So a lot of nice changes, and just so you guys can get content quicker. Other than that, in tech news, what's going on in the world?
For all of our drone flighters out there, I don't know if you've known, but since February 23rd, you have to register with the FAA if your drone is heavier than 8.8 ounces.
Come on now, Lou. You can do this. Find that hover zone. There you go.
That's crazy.
So if it is, I hope you know it, because you might get caught and you might get a little penalty for it. So it's a new thing. You have to pay $5 for the FFA that will register your drone, send you your little sticker that you now have to put, it has to be visible. Like before people would register.
Or inside the battery.
Exactly, hide it. Now you can't anymore. It has to be, you have to
visible,
see it right away. And also, you know, there's places where you're not allowed to fly your drone over airport. There's certain areas, certain park you're not allowed to. There's a really cool app if you guys need one to see where you can fly or not. It's called the Air Map. So go check it out. Cool app that will help you to be safe with your drone flying. So don't forget to go and register it if you haven't done it.
Okay, and finally, I wanted to save, maybe not the best for last, but some interesting thing for news. But next episode, we're going to have a special guest on. And,
it won't be me. I'm not a special guest.
Well, you're special all the time.
I
we'll have another special.
There you go.
But we'll have somebody come in and an expert in their field. It'll be more of an interview style, and I think you guys will enjoy having a little bit of different format and get to know one of the industry experts in the field.
He's keeping it a secret. Like I don't even know who's the guest.
So, it'll be really fun. It'll be a different format. Thanks again for watching today, and
thank you so much.
Hope you have a great week. Yes. And as we help you guys control the IT chaos. Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Bye.